What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another vlog today. Today is the day that we leave to go to Maine, me, Leo, and Jeff. We're going to leave around 7, 8 o'clock, pretty sure. I'm not exactly sure yet, but all depends when Jeff gets home and we decide to leave our house. So we'll get to Maine at our cabin up there early in the morning, probably around 4 or 5 o'clock. I still haven't packed anything up yet, so I still have a lot of stuff to do before I'm even ready to leave to go. But before we start packing up or anything, a few days ago I stopped at Bass Pro Shops, picked up a few things for SmallMouth. So let me show you guys what I got. We got some tubes. We got really small size hooks. These are not for smallmouth. These are for catching small perch, so we can use the perch as bait for catching pickerel. 4-inch watermelon flake Cincos, 3 packs of bullet weights. We got some green pumpkin speed curls, some more Cincos, 4-inch. We got the crick rigger for our Cincos. We got some steel leaders for the pickerel so they don't bite or snap our line. Power bait jigger curls. Another pack of 4-inch Cincos. We got some worms with the funky tails, like a purple color. 14-pound test Trilon. 6 packs of size 2 hooks. We got some 2 hooks. Okay guys, so that's all I got from Bass Pro Shops. All I have to do now is go pack up all my bags, all my poles, all my fishing gear. So let's go do that. Okay guys, I want to shout out these people with this song. It's probably the song you just heard, or I will be playing throughout this video. Pretty good song, go check them out. Okay guys, so I just finished packing up everything. Got most of my stuff all packed up. I got my fishing rods here. I'm bringing 3 bait casters and 1 spinning reel that I'm just going to use. Got my dumbbells. I got my fishing bag right here. My camera gear and my laptop, extra pair of shoes or running shoes, whatever, and all my clothes, and I got some plastics in there and stuff, but I'm mostly all ready now, so Leo might come over here, or me and Jeff might go pick him up in a little bit. Once Jeff gets home, we're gonna go pick Leo up, so I'll see you guys probably at Leo's house. So we are now packing the car, then we're gonna go get Leo at his house. They were on our way to Maine. Okay guys, so we just got the car, Jeff's sister's car. Now we're on our way to Maine, so see you guys in Maine. Finally made it. We just made it to the house. Me and Leo are probably gonna go fishing now. So let's go down to the lake. Okay, yeah, so me and Leo fished off the dock for a little bit. We just went up to go get Leo's GoPro. Now we're gonna go on the kayaks, probably go fish on some rocks or something. But all I want to do right now is go catch a smallmouth, so let's go do that. We're not. Oh, it got off. Dude, I have one. Wow. That, you got one? This is a fish. Wait, it's a baby, all right? It's a decent one for your first fish, though.
We just have at Walmart at all?
No, we have plenty of hooks. Your GoPro.
Right now, grab this thing.
Meow. Woof. Okay guys, we just got back from fishing on kayaks. I'm gonna edit some of the vlog. Then we're probably gonna go on the boat. Then go food shopping. Then I don't know what we're gonna do after that. So, see you guys out on the water.
Still got the lead.
Yeah, Leah says the best so far. World record.
I'm jacked.
We just finished up fishing. Now we're gonna go to Walmart, pick up some groceries. So, see you there. We are now going down to the lake. We just got back from food shopping. I didn't record anything because that's probably boring and crap. So we're gonna go down to the lake, probably go fishing on the boat again, and maybe go do some swimming or something.
Is that fish?
I think so. Wait, what happened?
Yeah, fish.
Oh, I do have a fish. Huh. I feel like a big old one, man.
Why did it look so big?
I don't know. It was like a giant at first. Another small one. Another dink.
You guys were starving me when we went to Walmart. Only had a roasted. Oh!
Oh, oh, that's a nice one. Pickerel.
Alright. Get him?
Yeah, nice.
Alright, I'll on my phone, so.
That's a decent one.
Yeah.
Here, you wanna let it go or do you want me to?
We don't have the other pliers.
Nah, I'd left in my car. Oh my gosh. He has another one. He has another one. Are you kidding me? It's number 2 for Jeff.
Cinco. Hey.
You can probably get that one out easy. Oh, came out again.
Shooting fish in a barrel.
I wasn't recording. I am now though. Jeez, man. Can you let me catch one, please? Sure, that's not from right now.
Okay.
Okay, guys, this is the end of the vlog. We're just gonna eat ribs and corn for dinner. Not really doing much the rest of the day, so don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.